Miss Katie. I'm so excited to learn and play with you today. Today we get to learn about animals. Animals. Wow, look. Oh, there's lots of different animals and lots of different places. This is a farm, it's a farm. It's a farm. This is a zoo, it's a zoo. It's a zoo. This is a forest, it's a forest. It's the forest. This is the desert, it's the desert. It's the desert. Woo! This is the jungle, it's the jungle. It's the jungle. This is a house, it's a house. It's a house. Wow! But where to go first? Can you point your finger to the farm? Ooh. Yes, good job! I'm pointing my finger. Wow! Let's go to the farm. I'm so excited I could dance. Come on, let's hop to the farm. Hop, 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 boing, boing. Farm, farm, farm. Hey, look, we're at the farm. Yay, we're at the farm. Listen. Wow, there's so many different animal sounds. Can you say moo? Can you say moo? Moo. Wow. Moo. Moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Can you sign cow? Cow. Cow. Hello. My name is Cow. What does cow say? Moo, moo, moo. Moo all day. Moo. Moo. Moo, 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 moo. Moo. Can you say ba ba? ba, ba, ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Wow! Sheep. Sheep. Can you sign sheep? Whoop! Hello, my name is Sheep. What does sheep say? Ba, 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 ba all day. Ba, ba. Can you say ba? Ba, 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 ba. Bye-bye. Okay, let's try oink. Can you say oink, oink? Oink. 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 Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink, oink here and a oink, oink there. Here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Wow! The pig goes oink, oink, oink. Hello, pig. Oink, oink, oink. Good job. Pig. 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 Whoop. Oink, oink. My name is Pig. What does pig say? Oink, oink, oink. Oink all day. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink. Ooh, oink, oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, oink. Bye-bye. Wow! Look! It's a pond. A pond. Can you sign pond? Pond. Pond. Good job. Do you know who lives at the pond? I don't know. Let's look together. Ready? Do you see that? Oh. Do you hear that? Wow! These are ducks. These are ducks, quack, quack, quack. These are ducks, quack, 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 quack. These are ducks, quack, quack, quack. These are ducks, quack, quack, quack. Wow! These are ducks. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. The ducks go quack, quack. Duck. Can you sign duck? Duck. My name is Duck. What does duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack all day. fun song where we get to do lots of quacking. Ready?
I went for a walk one day. I saw a duck and it did say, quack, 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 quack. I said, what are you quacking at? I'm a duck and I say quack, quack, quack. I can quack real quiet, quack, quack, quack. I can quack real quick, quack, 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 quack. I don't really know what I'm quacking at. I went for a walk one day. I saw a duck and it did say, quack, 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 quack. I said, what are you quacking at? I'm a duck and I say quack, quack, quack. I can quack real quiet, quack, quack, quack. I can quack real quick, quack, 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 quack. I don't really know what I'm quacking at.
Whoa! That was so much fun! Well done! Good job going quack, 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 quack. Ducks are very good at swimming. Can you swim like a duck? With your little paddle feet paddling away. Whoop. Paddle, paddle, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Do you hear that? What's that sound? It's a frog. Do you see a frog anywhere?
No, I see a frog in the pond on the farm. I see a frog in the pond on the farm. I see a
frog. It's a frog. It's a frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Frog. Frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Frogs are really good at jumping. Come on, let's pretend to be frogs together. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Yeah, I'm catching flies with my tongue. That's what frogs do. Ribbit, ribbit. So silly. Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day, and they all went blah 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 blah. But we know frogs go la di da di da, la di da di da, la di da di da. We know frogs go la di da di da. They don't go blah 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 blah. Good job. Bye bye frogs. Bye bye frogs. Bye bye. 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 Ooh. Listen. What's that sound? Can you do it? Neigh. Neigh. What farm animal says neigh? A horse. It's a horse. Come on, let's go find the stables and say hi to the horse. Let's go. Huh? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I. Wow! Did you say oh? Good job! This is a horse, and the horse lives in the stables, and they say neigh! Horse. 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 Good job! Is this horse big? Or is this horse small? This horse is big. This horse is so big. Can you say so big? This horse is so big. It's so big. Wow. He's pretty big, strong and fast, but not as fast as me. When a horse is running, it's called galloping. Come on, let's pretend to be horses together. Woo! Yeah! That's it! Good job!
Galloping like a horse, galloping like a horse. I said, run, 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 little horsey, run. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Woo! Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Woo! Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Woo! Run, little horsey, run, run, run. Fast, little horsey, giddy up, giddy up. Gallop, little horse, giddy up, and stop.
Wow, you are such a fast horse. Well done. Ooh, feet. Which feet belong to the horse? Do you know? Which feet belong to the horse? Yes, the horse's feet have hooves on them to protect their toes. Can you say feet? Feet. Feet. Horse's feet. Or duck's feet. My feet. Ooh. Chicken feet. Splashing feet. Splash, 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 splash. Dancing feet. Ooh. 4 feet. Feet. Wow. Can you say feet? Yay! You did it. Say, I did it. Woohoo! High five. Wow. What animal made these tracks? Let's find it together. Can you see it? Yes! The duck made these tracks. Well done. Find the animal with this pattern. Let's look. Yes, it's the cow. Let's try something else. Listen. What animal makes that sound? Can you find it? It sounds like a frog. Can you see the frog anywhere? Yes! Good find! Find an animal the colour pink. Can you do that? Can you see a pink animal anywhere? Ooh, maybe get your looking eyes on. I'm looking. Can you see a pink animal? Yes! That's right, the pig. Good find. Find the animal with these feet. We know what these are, don't we? It's a horse. Come on, let's have a look. Yes, by the stables. There's the horse. We found you, horse. Good job. Find this animal in its home. This animal has a small house. Can you find it in its home anywhere? Let's look together. Yes, you found it. It's the chicken. Hey, come on, let's go say hi to the chickens. Wow, this is where the chickens live. It's like a really little house. Yeah, this is called a chicken coop. And these are chickens. Can you wave to the chickens? Hello, chickens. Hey, do you know what a chicken says? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck. Everywhere a cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well done. Cluck, 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 cluck. Hey, have you seen how a chicken eats their food? Yes, they peck their food. Peck, peck, peck. Peck, peck, peck. Hey, let's pretend to be chickens. Ooh, cluck, 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 cluck. Peck, peck, peck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Peck, peck, peck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Peck, peck, peck. Wow, you are such a good chicken. Well done. Baby chickens are called chicks. Wow, and they hatch from eggs, from chicken eggs. The mummy chickens sit on their eggs and keep them all nice and warm for 21 days. And then they're nice and healthy and hatch into baby chicks. Whoa! Hey, let's sing a fun song about all the animals on the farm and their homes.
Animals and their home, animals and their home, animals and their home, animals and their home.
Repeat after me.
I say cow and you say barn,
Cow,
barn,
cow, barn.
I say sheep and you say pen,
Sheep, pen, sheep, pen.
I say pigs and you say sty,
Pig, sty, pig, sty.
I say duck and you say pond,
Duck, pond, duck, pond.
animals and their home, animals and their home, animals and their home, animals and their home. I say horse and you say stable,
Horse, stable, horse, stable.
I say chicken, you say coop,
Chicken, coop, chicken, coop.
animals and their home, animals on the